to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it follow me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe.
What's up everyone, it's your girl Nelly back again with another freaking video. So today I'm bringing you a very short one, but it's a must see, it's a must watch. How to get rid of stretch marks for less than 300 bucks. So this is what helped me, this is what worked for me, and I best believe it's gonna work for you too. So without wasting any more time, let me just get straight into the ingredients you're going to be needing. So first of all, this is in no particular order, but this is what I have the closest to me. The first one is the Rooibos shea butter. It looks like this. It's about 80 rand, I think, at discount. The second one is the tummy butter stretch marks, for stretch marks. It looks like that, also ranging at the same price as the shea butter. Number 3, you just need petroleum jelly. I have Vaseline, the Blue Seal, the Aloe Fresh one. You can have any as long as it's Vaseline or petroleum jelly, because Vaseline is the brand. The fourth one is your glycerine. This is the fourth ingredient you need. And the fifth one is any coconut oil. So these are the 4 ingredients that you need. Is this all? Yeah, this looks like it's all the things you need. Okay, let me just quickly open this. There we go. Okay, this is how it looks like inside. Yeah, this is how it looks like inside. Then this one looks like this, sort of like your Vaseline. And then of course we all know how Vaseline looks like, we all know how glycerine looks like. Then your coconut oil, well, mine is almost finished, but yeah, that's how it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys closer so that you can see how I do my mixture. Okay, so there you have a better view. So firstly, I'm gonna divide this. I usually divide it. You can, if you have a big container, you honestly could put all these ingredients into one container and mix them. But I literally threw away my container last week. How dumb of me. Okay, so this is what I divide the products into half. Okay, so then I'm gonna divide this into half. There we go. Divide this and put this here, right? Put it here. Put it here. Okay, take what I took out of the stretch marks container, the tummy butter one, put it into the shea butter. Okay, so it's half of each in both containers. So this is how it looks like right now. I know it looks a bit weird right now, but you'll get the idea just now. Okay, and then take Vaseline. Don't take too much because it's gonna be too oily. But if you know your skin type, if you are a bit dry, but it really helps. Like this helps so much. I hope the fridge is not too loud. Okay, that's enough. Then same thing this side. Same thing this side. The only annoying part of this is having to mix all the products in the container because some are thicker than the other and then it creates clots of product. So then I'm going in with my glycerine, not too much not too much, and then I pour a lot even there. Okay, alrighty, let me just grab another spoon. Grab my wooden spoon that I usually cook with my gravy and all of that. It's brown because of the spices, but yeah, here's the coconut oil, and then just different fingers, okay, there, okay, and then go in again for the second container. There we have it. All right, we're going to start mixing all the products together. Okay, this is the part I hate the most, but this is how it looks. Here's your coconut oil, your shea butter, your glycerine there, that's spilling the shiny part, the glycerine there, and this is our Vaseline. All 4 products in there. So this I usually use in like 1 month. Sometimes it lasts me like into the first week of like the second month of me using it. So this is how it looks like. Nice and thick-ish. You don't want to make it too wet by adding like too much glycerine, because also remember that your coconut oil is gonna melt and it's gonna become like liquid oil. So there we go. By the way, I got this idea, well, this whole bright idea from my cousin Jessica, who, like, we were talking this one time, and like we were just talking about how stretch marks are so annoying, and all the thick dark purple looking ones are so stubborn. And she was like, girl, let me put you on. And she sure did, let me tell you. So this is how it looks like right now. This is how it looks like. Okay, I feel like it's a bit wet though. Okay, container number 1 done. I'm gonna insert pictures of how I looked before. And how I currently look, because I use this literally as my daily moisturizer. I don't use any other lotion but this, and I don't use it only by the affected areas where I have stretch marks, but just as my body lotion, so that my skin is evenly hydrated, because this really does hydrate your skin a lot. So this is how it looks like, all mixed, all done. Okay, this is container number 1 done. Okay, this is gonna be tricky because this container is smaller and I usually struggle with this one, but let me give it a try. Back here. Okay, then we need to even it out again so that it can close properly. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna decrease the amount of product that's there into here, because I feel like it's not evened out. There's too much this side versus the other container. Okay, now it looks much better. So this is how container number 2 looks like. You see, when I was talking about the lumpy parts, this you'll often get, but it's okay. As you're moisturizing on your body, it will melt onto your skin, so that's not a problem. Okay, let me just fix what's happening here. Okay, there we go. All sorted. Make sure to also wipe down your containers so that it doesn't mess on your cupboards on your hot day, you know, because it's gonna make those oil stains, oil marks on your cupboard, and we all don't want that. Okay guys, and there you have it. That's literally all you need, all these 4 products that I just showed you to get rid of stretch marks. Comment down below your home remedies that you were told that works for you, and let's have a conversation. Let's share our ideas as to how to tackle all these annoying things that we all have on our bodies, especially us as females, that we go through, such as like armpit marks, the pigmentation under your armpits, you know, your elbows and so forth. Let's share with one another. Make sure to comment down below, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.